Hey, how's everybody doing out there? First of all, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. I'm showing off our new screen paint. It is absolutely incredible. This is a one-coat application using Smart Technology Gain ×9 and Screen Enhancement Technology ×3. This is color and enhancement technology. Now, I've done this demonstration already on a 1080p long throw projector at around 11 to 12 feet back, and now I'm doing it on the short throw projector at around probably about a good maybe 5 or 6 feet away from the screen. Now this screen paint is 4K and 3D ready. Keep in mind my projector is only 720p. Never been calibrated, there's no 4K upscaling, and the projector is still set in the factory default settings. I'm just going to show you how amazing this screen paint is. Absolutely incredible. This may be our best screen paint that we have ever designed. And keep in mind, this is a 720p projector. We can turn our lights on, and we can do this in a fully lit environment. You see how much light that's hitting my wall? You can make out all the statues in my gaming room. You can see nothing's cast in a shadow. And I can come over here and I can hit my screen on an angle, and you can see it crystal clear right on an angle. It doesn't wash out, it doesn't fade. Same demonstration I did downstairs in the basement on the smaller sample sheet. Now you're seeing it on my plexiglass screen that is 4x8. This is how amazing the technology is on this new screen paint. Take our lights out again. This is I'm very happy with this screen paint. Now, keep in mind, this paint will be launching around the 26th of this month, which will be this Friday. It will come in a 2-quart, and it will become in a 1 gallon. 1 gallon will get a free blackout cloth surface of 10x20, and the 2 quarts will get a surface that will be 5x10. And this is our new Eclipse Ultra 4K Supreme Cinema. When I mean Supreme Cinema, it is supreme. Look how beautiful the colors, the contrast, everything is on the screen. And mind you, like I said, we're using only 720p. You have people going out spending all this money for these very expensive 4K projectors, 1080p projectors, and I'm doing this on a 720p projector. And this is the results I'm getting from this technology. Now, as I said before, if it looks amazing on 720p, imagine what the screen's going to be to do in 1080p and 4K. And this is coated on plexiglass. Screen paint is designed, the new screen paint that you're seeing right now, is designed to be coated on just about any surface, dries in no time at all. It's low VOC, eco-friendly, and washes off with basic hot water and soap. That's it. And you don't have to be a professional to paint it. Alright, I'm Kenneth Bird from Crystal H Technology Screens using Smart Technology Gain. Hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. I like to